What's going on YouTube? It's the Game Zombie here with a quick unboxing of the Mortal Kombat X Collector's Edition by Coarse. This is a PlayStation 4 edition. I wasn't really stoked on what they did with Scorpion and how cartoony he looks and the all black face, but I'm a huge fan of MK, so I just felt the need to get it. Right off the bat, I could tell you that the box feels solid. I like the sleeve too, the gold insignia. On the back of the sleeve here, we just have the typical description that can be found on any standard copy of Mortal Kombat X. It shows what's in the game and little description, variations and whatnot. And the box itself, I really like this box. It's very well made. It just seems solid. In here we have a lot of packing foam. We have the little description card. Then we have like the little scorpion dagger. There's also like a limited edition card that's signed by the makers of the Coarse edition. A bunch more foam, and then the actual Scorpion figure itself. Now, I do have both collector's editions, and the import edition, in my opinion, is a lot better. Not only is it bigger, it just feels just more solid all around. This one kind of feels like a toy. I know I'm putting this in wrong. I just wanted to see what it looked like. The dagger actually goes on his wrist. But all around, the import edition, in my opinion, is much better as far as statue goes. And that's pretty much it, besides for the game that's in the box. Inside the game, it has the season pass and the gold skin and the Goro DLC, but that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, and as always, subscribe.